There's a freight over there. Oh, here he comes. There's no bells on that. Man, there's lots of rail traffic over here. $75.85. $25.81. Never realized that these trains came through here so slow. I mean, I've never even been in here before. But I think this is going to be my new railfanning track. You know what I say now that I found Norfolk Southern? Screw CSX. This is where the good stuff is. At least here they go slow so I can actually read the train. Not, you know, here, hold on. We get to have a CSX car on it. What's he going, 5 miles an hour? I think there's a rail yard up here somewhere because they come through here creeping. I mean, that one stopped up there. Hand's frozen. So the other one's coming. I hope this one clears out fast. I want to be able to record the other one. Ah, hurry up, you slow son of a bag. The other one that was parked up there just tooted his horn, so I think he's about to come through. There's 2 tracks here. I just hope Mr. Slowpoke here gets out of the way so I can see. creeping into the night. This is a long train for just having 2 engines on it. Oh, hurries up, I want to be able to see the other one that's been parked there. I heard him honk his horn, said he should be coming on the other track over there, but I can't see through this guy. Ah, there's the end, finally. Waving past. That's why I said pull over here. The bad thing is the breeze is picking up. My hand's frostbit. Here he comes, and here comes Gates. Oh yeah, he's coming. Yeah, I think this is my special 50,000 view present. Alright, buddy, come on. He's been low enough for over an hour. It's time for him to leave the station. Or at least leave the middle of nowhere. He's on the other tracks. He's on the other tracks. Listen to that beauty. And that's truck. $96.86. And 92.11 is a Shirley unit. Lots of Norfolk Southern boxcars. Or, I don't know what the car's name, I just call them boxcars.